Would you like to save money on the things you're already buying and also have an opportunity to make some money? Since we're talking about saving money, let's go to my deals. Now, here are some places. Look, there's over 1 million stores that have discount prices where you can save at. And if you go back into the system again, and there, if you want to see your own info, it's all right there, and your order history, and who's on your team. And once you click on my referrals, it'll show you, once you start advertising, it'll show you all the referrals you have, and each referral has an email and a phone number. So if you want to contact them, you have everything right there. Then you go to webinars. It shows you they have 3 webinars a week, one on Monday, one on Wednesday, and one on Friday. But if you can't make those times and you want to watch it, just go to YouTube. They have all the replays right there, so you won't miss anything. And if you go back into it again and you see my webinars, they call it webinars, but I prefer to call it landing pages or capture pages. I mean, you can use any one of these or as many as you want. There's lots of them. So depending where I use more than one depending where I'm sending the information to. So it's entirely up to you what you want to use there. Then you go back into and then you got the training. Now, if you should watch this, it gives you quite a bit of basic information, and then they got a 90-day blitz that gives you something for 90 days. Then you go into your marketing materials, and then it'll show. And here you go. Look at here's your compensation plan. This is a lot better to show somebody this than try to explain the compensation plan. And here's a whole bunch more places where you can save money on. So there's lots of places you can save money on. So this is a great opportunity to get started with so you can save money. And, especially Christmas coming up and everything else, everybody wants to save money. And you can probably get good deals doing that. Now, let's see. I don't know if there's very much more I want to tell you here. I think that's all I'm going to tell you for this week. And if we miss anything, we'll catch it next week. And I hope you're having a great week and great weather. We're having great weather here. And we'll talk. Thank you for listening, and we'll talk to you next week. Bye for now.